Yeah, well, this is Vishnu Duvuri. I'm a technical architect at Sutherland. I'm working as a technical architect. I came to know about KodeKloud in the KCD event. I was novice. I don't know. I don't have any knowledge on DevOps or Kubernetes or stuff. But I wanted to switch my domain. So I was attending some events like QCon. There was an event in KCD Hyderabad. That was my first CNCF event. I went there. So I was just talking to people, and a guy suggested me KodeKloud, but I was little hesitant to buy a subscription again. I thought it's just like a other platform. So I was just checking out the YouTube videos, but I subscribed to KodeKloud on your free week thing. I just started Jenkins, and the course that was organized and structured in such a way anyone can start. This is the platform. Anyone to start a DevOps or anything, this is the platform, I thought, and immediately I bought a subscription. And I'm preparing, I've completed DevOps part, and now I'm doing the Kubernetes CKA. And I became so confident, and I bought a Kubernetes bundle. I'm targeting to come in a blue jacket in the next QCon in Hyderabad. That's my target. I'll take a picture with Mushar and I'll post it on that with a blue jacket. See, I was, as I told you, I was novice. I don't know anything about Kubernetes, so I didn't know where to start. Once I started it, now I'm along with my middleware, I'm also contributing 50% to the Kubernetes project as an SRE, senior SRE, 50% there. From novice to senior SRE within just a span of 4 months. That helped me a lot. As I said, this Kubernetes bundle, the security part is a bit tough. I heard and I also felt that. So I want to spend more time on CKS than a CKA and CKAD. So once that is done, I'll move to AI. All the other platforms, just they give a theoretical overview, but the hands-on lab for each section, that's amazing. So you don't need to go back and build a Kubernetes environment on your local using client or Minikube or anything. You can just practice while you're learning. That's a great thing. I've already recommended to 4-5 people. I made them buy that subscriptions. And whenever you guys have an amazing deal, trust me, 1 or 2 of my friends will buy that.